Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video we're going to go over how to fix the status breakpoint error in Google Chrome. I'll show you several quick ways, and we'll start with the first fix, and if it doesn't work, just move on to the next one. So fix 1 obviously is going to be restart and update Google Chrome. So I closed mine out and restarted, and just to make sure you have your Google Chrome updated, you want to click on the 3 dots on the top right corner, and then you want to go down to Help, and then click on About Google Chrome. And right now you can see that Google Chrome is updating on my PC. Once it's done, it will ask you to relaunch. So we're going to go ahead and do that. The next thing we're going to try is disabling graphics acceleration. So just go ahead and open up Google Chrome again and then click on the dots, and we're going to click on settings. Once you're in settings, you want to go ahead and click on system on the left hand side. I currently have use graphics acceleration when available toggled on. You want to go ahead and toggle that off. Then you want to click relaunch. If that didn't work, a Chrome extension could also be causing it to crash. If you want to try experimenting with your different extensions, you can go ahead and click on the 3 dots, click on extensions and manage extensions. You can also go to the top and type and search this. And you can go ahead and remove or toggle on and off different extensions to see if any of this works or doesn't work for your computer. You can also try clearing out Google Chrome's cache, and what you want to do is hit Control, Shift, and Delete. Just ignore this screen right here, but this is a screen that it will pull open, and you can go ahead and pick and choose what you want to get rid of and clear the browsing data for. If you're still getting the error after that, then you could try resetting Chrome settings. So make sure you're back under your settings. I'm still here from the last part of the tutorial, and you could just simply click on reset settings right there and then just follow through here, and you'll confirm if you want to reset the settings or not. If for some reason you're still having an issue, and I don't think you will by this point, but you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling Chrome. And that's how you fix the status breakpoint error in Google Chrome. I recommend just starting with updating Chrome and trying to disable graphics acceleration, because those are 2 of the quickest fixes to test. If one of these solutions did work out for you, please leave a comment letting everyone know which fix works so we could try to quickly help out other people. Have a good one.